Looking for a simple and effective beginner workout routine to lose weight at home? This full-body exercise video is perfect for you. Follow along with this beginner-friendly workout that includes walking exercises, stretching, and weight loss exercises to help you burn calories and feel great. No equipment needed, just your motivation. Perfect for weight loss beginners or anyone looking for a low-impact workout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more exercise for weight loss tips. Before we start, let's warm up to prevent injuries and get your blood flowing. Follow along with me. Start by marching in place. Lift your knees high and swing your arms. This gets your heart rate up and prepares your body for the workout. Next, let's loosen up your shoulders with arm circles. Make small circles forward, then backward. Now, stretch your sides. Reach one arm overhead and lean to the opposite side. Feel that stretch. Finally, swing one leg forward and backward to loosen up your hips. Switch legs after 15 seconds. Take 3 deep breaths in and out. You're ready to go. Start with squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lower your hips back and down, then push through your heels to stand up. Great for your legs and core. Bodyweight squats are a great exercise for beginners on a weight loss journey. They burn calories by engaging large muscle groups like the glutes and quads, helping create a calorie deficit. Squats also build lean muscle, boosting metabolism for long-term fat loss. They improve lower body strength, stability, and endurance while being joint-friendly. Squats can be done anywhere, require no equipment, and can be progressed with variations, making them an effective and sustainable workout for weight loss. Next, modified push-ups. Place your knees on the floor and lower your chest toward the ground, then push back up. This works your arms, chest, and core. They are excellent for weight loss, especially for beginners. They engage the chest, shoulders, arms, and core, helping build lean muscle and boost metabolism. This leads to more calories burned even at rest. They also improve upper body strength and endurance, making other exercises easier. Plus, they elevate heart rate when done in high reps, aiding fat loss. Since they are joint-friendly and easy to progress, they provide a sustainable way to tone muscles and support overall weight loss. Now, standing side leg lifts. Hold on to a chair for balance if needed. Lift one leg out to the side, then lower it. This targets your outer thighs and hips. Plank with hand tap. For 2 people, how to do it. Both partners start in a high plank position, facing each other at arm's length. Keep your core tight, back straight, and hands directly under your shoulders. At the same time, lift one hand and tap your partner's opposite hand. Return your hand to the ground and switch sides. Continue alternating hand taps for a set time or reps. Benefits: strengthens core and upper body, engages abs, shoulders, and arms for improved endurance, enhances stability and balance, forces your body to stay steady while moving one hand, boosts coordination, improves mind-muscle connection with controlled movements, fun and motivating. Partner workouts add accountability and keep things engaging, increases heart rate, can be part of a fat-burning routine when done at a steady pace. This is a great addition to any weight loss workout, effective, engaging, and beginner-friendly. Let's cool down a bit with marching in place. Keep those knees high and arms swinging. It is a simple yet effective exercise for weight loss. It elevates the heart rate, increasing calorie burn and supporting fat loss. This low-impact movement is easy on the joints, making it ideal for beginners or those with mobility issues. It improves cardiovascular endurance, strengthens the legs and core, and enhances overall stamina. Plus, it can be done anywhere, requires no equipment, and is a great way to stay active throughout the day, boosting metabolism and promoting weight loss. Finish with some gentle stretching to relax your muscles and improve flexibility. Reach for your toes to stretch your hamstrings, extend your arms overhead to open up your shoulders, and take deep breaths to calm your body. Stretching helps reduce muscle soreness, enhances recovery, and keeps you feeling refreshed for your next workout. Take a moment to appreciate your effort and progress. You did a great job on staying active and committed to your weight loss journey. Great job! You just completed a full-body weight loss exercise routine for beginners. Do this workout 3 to 4 times a week, and pair it with a healthy diet for the best results. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly workouts and weight loss tips. See you in the next video.